Ciao, this is Cindy Morelli, kitchen and bath designer, welcoming you back to the Remodel Works Bath and Kitchen Showroom, bringing you a new remodeling tip on none other knobs and pulls. Knobs and pulls are a must in my book. Not only are they functional in helping you open and close the doors and drawers on your cabinets, but they help maintain your cabinet's finish. The oils in our fingers, repetitively touching the cabinet fronts, can start to diminish the luster and tear down the finish on your cabinets. Knobs and pulls can make a statement in your kitchen and bath, and I highly recommend choosing a finish that matches your plumbing fixtures, so not to incorporate multiple finishes that might clash. So for more remodeling tips, visit our website at remodelworks.com, and until next time, ciao.